Part 1. Future of Local Government Technology Drivers. The following is the first in a series of brief storyboards, setting the scene for a dialogue around leveraging technology to assist local government improve collaboration. This storyboard will explore three aspects of technology drivers that are impacting councils. The first is what I have termed the technology phenomena. These are the things that are happening. The second is the key trends that are emerging as a result. And the third discusses the benefits that are likely to occur. We are currently witnessing a massive change in the way technology shapes businesses. These changes are not simply the latest fad and fashions of the IT world. They're being driven by a series of fundamentally disruptive changes in the underlying IT infrastructure. There are three phenomena that I believe are significant. They're computational power, network capacity, and data capture and storage. Most of us are familiar with Moore's law and the doubling of computational power every 2 years. If we were to draw the following graph on a linear scale, where the first increment from 10,000 to 100,000 was 10 centimeters, the graph would be 10 kilometers high. Likewise, the speed and capacity of our computer networks is growing at about 36% compound average growth rate, and is now carrying the equivalent of 28 million DVDs per hour. The transition is such that many now talk about the computational power being in the network. The quantity of data being captured and stored is growing at a compound rate of about 50% per annum. The impact of these three phenomena on technology is far-reaching, and as a result, there's a convergence of several trends that will fundamentally change the use of technology and the way we do business. Three of the most significant trends are mobile, big data, and cloud. Mobile computing and engagement technologies means that we are no longer tied by location. We can work anywhere, and we can engage on many different levels. Big data has come to mean many things, but in essence, it's about analysing all the information that is available to find patterns and relationships that may not have been evident from conventional sampling and selective analysis. Embedded technologies is one of the key drivers behind big data. Embedded technologies means that we can now collect orders of magnitude more data from a whole range of things. It represents the next stage in the evolution of connectivity that has moved from connecting places, such as the offices where we work, to connecting people in a whole range of engagement technologies, to a point now where we are potentially connecting everything, creating the Internet of Things, where all sorts of things talk to each other, defining where they are, what they're doing, who's using them, and for how long. We are already well on the journey of connecting things, as most consumer electronics have embraced embedded technologies. We are now seeing industry embrace the technology as it tracks products and people, and we are entering into the era of a network society where everything is linked. The challenge and opportunity as we move from networked industry to network society is to use the technology to improve productivity. However, right now big data is like teenage sex. Everybody talks about it, nobody really knows how to do it. Everybody thinks everybody else is doing it, so everybody claims that they're doing it. In fact, over the next few years, the use of the term big data could well fade away as the concept becomes embedded in the business as usual. The final trend I want to highlight is cloud. When you have widespread connectivity, the ability to work anywhere with orders of magnitude more data to manage requires a new architecture around the infrastructure that will enable this to happen. Cloud is that next wave of technology architecture. Essentially, cloud is about transitioning your business applications and intelligence from being moribund by the constraints of your desktop and office server and placing them in the network in a way that is secure, highly accessible, and scalable. The benefits. Mobile computing and better data supported by cloud infrastructure will enable people to be more productive. They'll be able to work smarter, work quicker, work anywhere, work on any device. But probably the most significant business change to emerge from big data and data analytics in general is the rise in the prominence of business insight or business intelligence. We have for a long time had the ability to create historical reports, to provide hindsight on things that we have done in the past. What the data scientists are delivering now is an ability to manage things in real time and to predict with greater certainty what is likely to happen in the future, with a level of evidence that's not been seen before. For several industries, this is proving to be a game changer. For example, when you swipe a bank card, it now undertakes a massive amount of data integrity checking. Where are you? Where did you last use it? Is that physically possible? Is the spending consistent with your behaviour? To achieve this requires a disruptive change in technology. The traditional databases that fill our server rooms weren't designed for big data scale volumes. Nor were they designed to incorporate different types of data, structured and unstructured, from different applications, and to do it at the speed that's needed. The whole move is inspiring a new architecture, and it doesn't sit in your office. It's in the cloud, and it's accessed by mobile devices. The final benefit is collaboration. Mobility and cloud architecture offer a significant opportunity to improve our ability to share information, services, and resources. There are several ways this can happen. The most obvious is that within the cloud environment, the physical divides can be removed. Organizations are able to share the same applications that manage their services. As a result, they can coordinate activities at a regional level, at a local level, at a state level. In fact, there are many ways to benefit from the collaboration, and these will be discussed in Part 4. Part 1, Future of Local